All right, guys, we back with an A-body. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible. She has 442 badging, but she's not a true 442. She has the stock 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has a little over 58,000 miles. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is nice and clean. Paint is in good condition. Let's check her out. Y'all been watching. Y'all know I love Oldsmobiles. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs and the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. Absolutely beautiful. Interior's in good shape. She has bucket seats, console, floor mounted T-shifter. Seats in good condition. Back seat nice and clean. Convertible top functions as it should. Let's check out that dash. As y'all can see, mileage reached a little over 58,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the stock 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. Fire right up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. And we have financing available. Thank y'all for watching, guys. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.